Mad off-road, mad off-road. Damn crazy one. Overall, it was a fantastic ride today. Hello everyone. So after a very long time, I and my brother Arun decided to go on a bike ride, and this time we have 3 days off. Started a ride and we are half away to Shimoga, and on the way some container toppled down, it seems. So they are in the process of clearing it, and that made a huge congestion, and we had to wait for around 30 minutes, and now it is clearing up. Finally good to go, we can start. So for now the plan is to go to Shimoga. Let's see, later we'll decide. My bad, I kept my phone on the tank bag, directly exposed to sun, and now it started giving me a high temperature warning, my iPhone, and this will restart now. So Mr. Rain on the way. Time is 4 o'clock, and then we thought we'll gear up. It started drizzling, thought we will gear up. So yeah, gearing up. It was raining very heavily like a cats and dogs, and then just 5 minutes before this rain gave a break, so thought there is a beautiful sunset happening behind the clouds, and then this lush green carpet made me give it a stop and to take a quick video. Almost we are there, and 30 kilometers from here is Kumta beach. So today's stay is in Kumta beach. I have one of my friend who is in Nirvana beach, and he has a good tent stay, so we're gonna stay there. That's the plan for today. Okay, finally reached the destination. While we were starting the bike, we were thinking of staying in Shimoga for day 1, and day 2 we'll go to Gokarna. But it was heavy raining in Shimoga. We thought we'll straight away hit it to Gokarna today. So this is the tent stay for next 2 days in Gokarna, and total journey for today is, I don't know if you can, yeah, it's like 510 kilometers roughly, and on the way it was heavy rain, and then full of off-road. You can see it, or maybe, yeah, this is the thing I was telling you, right? Mad off-road, mad off-road. Damn crazy one, because it was heavy raining everywhere. Happened to be like this, but yeah, overall it was a fantastic ride today. So it took roughly about 8 to 9 hours today. I think a riding time would be only 8 hours to cover this 510 kilometers, and primarily it took a lot of time because more than 200-300 kilometers, it's all ghat session. And the best part, I love to stay in this tent stairs. I don't know if you could able to see, it's on the beach side. Morning I'll show you the view. Just look at the condition of the shoes. It was well cleaned and polished when I was starting the ride, but as soon as I reach Gokarna, this is the condition of the shoes. It's because of the off-road which I took, and this is the place where I'll be staying tonight. Good morning. Time is 6:45 and I just woke up. Thought of showing you the view, and you see those tents, that's where we stayed in the night, and I was showing you in the night, right? There is a beautiful small hill where you can trek. is there. Somewhere there, yeah. So I have seen these people climbing all the way to the top to cut that woods for their cooking. So we had a breakfast, just chilling out here on the shore, and yeah, some of the clicks from the day one right here. Thanks for watching this video, and day 2 today we would be exploring some waterfalls nearby, which my friend was suggesting go in, who owns this tent place. Let's see once I reach there, and I'll start day 2's video. For those who are not subscribed my channel Gok's Tiger Vandi, please do subscribe my channel and show your love and support guys. Thanks, cheers, see you all in the next video.